Hi, everyone. I hope you're doing well today. I'm Lisa Jo Davis from Healing Light with Lisa Jo. You can also find me on lisajodavis.com. I also have a few groups that are out, your Enhanced Soul group and hosting the Archangels group. So you can find me in any of those places. Today, what I would like to do for you is a galactic activation for money. Well, who doesn't want that, right? So if that's something that might interest you, I would encourage you to either listen now or in the future when you have a quiet time that you can actually go in and, dedicate that time for yourself. So I will start off by saying that the Galactic Council is a group of multidimensional beings that come from many different races. And they also work along with our creator, the angelic realm, as well as ascended masters. So again, this is going to be a money activation. And if you're ready, let's get started. Just as long as you can hear me, you can either be sitting up or lying down. It doesn't matter to me. And I'm just looking forward to doing this for everybody. So you might want to get some water as well, and maybe a Kleenex. Sometimes people cry. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and begin. I would like you to begin by taking 3 deep breaths of pink light within your heart space, exhaling any stagnant, stuck, or blocked energies. And then after you've taken your 3rd breath, place both of your hands upon your heart and breathe in the green light, exhaling anything stuck, stagnant, or blocked. And if you could do that one more time, please. Great. Okay. I would like you to make the intention of sending your grounding cord that's located at your root chakra, and imagine that it's going into Mother Earth. Make that intention of it going down deep into the center of Mother Earth's heart. She has so much love, support there for us, and actually for everybody that lives upon the planet, animals, plants, people. So as you're there, you may feel the blessings of the love and the support there. And just embrace that lovely feeling that you get while you're there. And I would like you to take some of that beautiful, loving, supportive energy from Mother Earth and a little piece of Mother Earth while leaving your grounding cord in her. Allow that energy to come back up through your grounding cord up into your root chakra as we open, expand, and realign and calibrate your chakras. So you push that up into your root chakra. We're going to open and expand that. And push that energy up into your sacral chakra, opening and expanding. And up into your solar plexus, opening and expanding. Okay, breathe in the color yellow, please, and exhale anything that's stagnant, stuck, or blocked. That tends to be a place where we hold a lot of our anxieties. And bring that energy up into your heart. You're going to open and expand it. Up into your higher heart. Opening and expanding. Very good. Up into your throat chakra. You're going to open and expand that more. And going up into your third eye. Opening and expanding. And into your crown chakra. Opening and expanding. I will now place the golden veil over you, and I will take you up to the Galactic Council. And with the golden veil around you, we are only letting the intentions of only allowing pure positive thoughts, insights, wisdom, and frequencies to be allowed. And for anything that's negative, stuck, or stagnant to be released with ease and grace. Thank you. We will now go up to the council. And we are at the Galactic Council. So what I would like you to do at this point, you may even see them or sense them around you. There will be some chairs that are there. You may sense them, see them, or imagine it there. So just go ahead and pick a chair that you find very comfortable and sit down in that chair. I would like you to announce your name out loud so that the guides know who they're working with and so that your guides can come forward as well. And thank you. So now we're going to do the money activations. It is commanded to send the galactic activation of open up to all avenues of money without limitations now, please. And you may actually feel it coming down through your crown. It may be coming on one or the other side. And it tends to work down through your feet coming out at the end. If you feel like it's stuck somewhere and it's not moving, just move your body around a little bit to get that, flowing through. Move your hands up and around just to get that energy going through there as well. It should come in fairly strong and kind of end up dissipating a little bit. So I'll give you a moment to allow these energies to flow through you before we do another money activation. You're in a safe area, safe place, and I'm also holding space for you as well. Okay, I'm being guided to go further. If you're still feeling it coming through, it will still process, and we're going to go ahead and do another alignment. It is commanded to send the galactic activation of releasing guilt and shame around having huge sums of money and releasing all oaths, vows, and contracts of poverty, scarcity, and lack. Now, thank you. That one came in very strong. And do you feel the energy, how it feels a little different with each activation? Some of the things that may happen to you is you may begin to yawn or sneeze. So those are some of the little things that could be happening as well. And it's just a way of your body processing the energies that are coming in. And if anything ever comes in too strong, you just ask your guides to decrease the intensity, and they will do that for you. But you'll still receive all of the same healing benefits. They just don't want you to be uncomfortable. And the last activation that we're going to be doing, it is commanded to send the galactic activation of open up to all avenues of money without limitations. Thank you. And Mother Mary is coming forward, so this is not your last activation. Is commanded to send that galactic activation of pure love now. Thank you. This will allow you to feel that love. And just let that energy flow through your body. I'll give you a few moments to let that pure love go through you. And just keep breathing normally. Some of you may need a Kleenex because that pure love is just phenomenal. It is time to allow us to leave. I would like you to thank your guides, Mother Mary, and the Galactic Council for showing up and helping us today. I will now take us down back into your body. And I would like you to make the intention of bringing in your grounding cord from Mother Earth back up into your root chakra as I dissolve the golden veil around you. And bring your full attention and awareness back into the present moment, breathing calmly back into your body. With ease and grace, take another deep breath. And as you release, you can open your eyes, adjusting to the light around you. And if you're lying down, go ahead and sit up very carefully, not too quick. Now, some of you may or may not have felt all these energies, or maybe only felt a few of them. What I would say is you still received these activations just by listening and agreeing to them. Some of my experiences from different clients and from myself is that you can feel buzzing, like, or vibrational, and they do tend to kind of come in waves. So you may feel a big, strong influx of these energies, and then they kind of like will dissipate a little bit, and then they'll come back. So it's just all the activations rotating, working around for you. The first 24 hours is where you're going to probably feel the most difference of these activations. And the process will go on for about 3 days. So you want to make sure that you stay hydrated, honor your body. Most of the time I see an added energy that comes through there. And I'm hoping that you would share your experience with me down in the comments. I would love, love, love to hear what your experiences are. And it's also a way of sharing with others so that they know, what your experiences are. So currently I am offering private sessions where we would go in and basically do kind of the same routine, except it's more geared to helping you with what you want to release and what you would like to bring in. And I will say that sometimes what we want is different than what the Galactic Council would recommend. They do see us from a higher perspective, and they really know what the best route is for us for our current situation on our path. And it's really nice to be able to, do the one-on-one. It's $25 right now. They will be going up. I've been asked if people can buy bulk, like gift certificates, and then use for the rest of the year. And once you buy several sessions, they won't expire with me. So you can either use them up or you can give them as gifts, because I will be raising the prices either $40 or $45 for the session. The sessions are done by Zoom. That way I can record it. Typical session would be basically 45 minutes to an hour. And we do a lot of talking back and forth. We find out what your needs are. I take you through the meditation. I take you up to the Galactic Council. We do the activations. You're actually up there with all your team and everything. And then we bring you back down. And a lot of people have been seeing shifts. I've seen some shifts over my time. So if you're interested, you know where to find me. Healing Light with Lisa Jo on Facebook, and also Healing Light with Lisa Jo on Instagram, or you can go to my website. It hasn't been updated with the Galactic Activations yet, lisajodavis.com. So if you're interested, just send me a message and I'll get back to you. Have an amazing day, my friends. I love you. Bye.